Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mr. Corp 289, and as I promised in the last video, I am giving you guys an update on the MagicMiner. The unit has been running on NiceHash for roughly about just over a week. Actually, when I first switched it over, I forgot to change the wallet address to the one reflecting with NiceHash. So I did lose roughly about a day and a half. That's the reason why I'm doing it a couple days later than I normally would do. But just a spoiler, I was earning roughly about $1.50 a day in Bitcoin on NiceHash. Not terrible. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and walk you guys through how to set up the miner on the HiveOS mining pool itself. So first thing I want to go ahead and ask you guys is please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon down below, and make sure you have it selected to all. That way you'll be updated with every video that I'm going to be launching here in the not too distant future. I do have a couple other ones, both on the hiking side as well as the crypto side. And I promise at some point here in the not too distant future, I'm going to blend those two together because I do have some crypto deep in projects that I use when I go hiking. So that's the reason why I'm doing both sides of it. Just want to go ahead and show the versatility of the pin project area within the crypto environment. But for right now, this is the current live data on the day that I'm recording this. This video will be released a couple days later, so the market itself may go up or go down from this point when you guys are able to see this. But for right now, the market is up. This is the current 1 hour chart. So as you can see, basically everything that's on here is pumping pretty good right now. I'm keeping an eye out on some of these coins because some of them I do hold, and I'm hoping that they're going to go ahead and jump up. So right now what I'm going to switch over to my NiceHash dashboard, and this is what it looks like right here. So you can see right here, I do have my MagicMiner located right here. You can see right now it's currently running at 31.38 terahash. And I will show you guys here in a second on my camera itself. Right now, this is my wallet balance that I've earned on NiceHash from the day that I started using NiceHash. And once again, please remember that I did sort of mess that up because I ended up inadvertently putting the wrong mining address. So if you are going to set up something on NiceHash, please make sure that you click on this here, which will take you to the mining address, or otherwise you can click on here where it says download miner or add ASIC. Once you do this, you can go ahead and select your ASIC or whatever else you want to click on. So for instance, if I wanted to go ahead and take one of the other units that I have here, which is a ETC style miner, I would click on this one right here. I could then type in whatever I want in this comment section or in the section here for the worker name. And then I would just copy this, paste it in, and then copy this, which is the username slash worker mining address that it will direct the unit to. So that's just a quick rundown on how to get it set up on NiceHash. So here you get a chance to see right now we're currently making $1.58 per 24 hours on NiceHash. So it's not terrible. I'm going to switch over here to my HiveOS really quick. And as you can see right down here in the bottom, as soon as I logged in, it does show now live for all Hiveon BTC pool. So if you click on start mining, it will take you to this next page. I'm going to go ahead and open up for you guys, which is this right here. And this is showing you what you could potentially make per terahash daily earnings. So since we are running at roughly 30 terahash, we click on that. It'll tell us right around $1.18 is what we're gonna make per day on Hive. So it does seem like it's a little less than what we would make with NiceHash, but I want to go ahead and test it out for you. And this is what I was looking for right here. Is I wanted to go ahead and take a look to see how to connect my MagicMiner to this. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on my MagicMiner tab, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come over here where it says pool settings. And we're going to just move some of the stuff around. I'm going to cut this here, and I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to cut this here, and I'm going to paste it here. because I just want to go ahead and get that out of the way for right now. I know it might sit there and freak the unit out, but hopefully it doesn't. But for right now, we're going to go ahead and do this, copy that. We're going to go back into the pool URL, and I know that it's going to tell me I got to, oh, well, that's good that it popped up that way because I want to have that anyways right there. So they're going to come over here, and I guess it didn't copy. It says it did just now, so let's try that again. And then we're going to do the colon, and then we're going to go ahead and select the port. So we're going to go ahead and use 4444, 4444. And now all I got to do is put my BTC wallet address in here. All right, so I found my wallet address, and I went ahead and I copied it and pasted it into the worker tab here. And then once you're done with that, you hit submit. I already did this a second ago. So now you can see that we're actually currently running on the miner itself. So now when I switch over to the Hiveon Pool, you can actually see that we're currently on here. We've currently earned roughly 2 cents since I switched everything over just a few minutes ago. But I'm going to go ahead and show you right now the actual breakdown of the miner itself with the restart and the power that it's pulling. You will get a chance to see what kind of watts are actually there. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so here we are right now. I'm going to go ahead and show you the unit itself. As you can see right here, it is going through its reset procedure, so we don't have any terahash as of yet. As well as right over here, the unit itself is only pulling 11.3 watts, which means that it hasn't started to ramp up yet. So here in a minute, when it finally does start to kick in, I'll go ahead and show you guys what it's reading, as well as the watts. This time I'm going to also change the hash mode from normal mode, as you can see here, to the efficient mode, because I want to see what we're going to be pulling as far as watts are concerned with that. But if you guys remember in the last couple of videos that I did on this guy, it does take roughly about 5 minutes for this thing to actually start doing stuff. But usually the power does ramp up by now. So we're going to go ahead and see what it shows on the screen there in a few minutes. I'm sure you guys can hear the fans running at a high rate of speed. Right there it does say efficient mode. And right here we can see the watts are going up. All right. So there you can see right now we're running right around 1100 watts. Looks like it's still going up. She is running and starting to put out some heat again. And here you go, you get a chance to see as it continues to rise. So on efficient mode, you would think that it would be running less power than what it was with the other ones, but as you can see, it is right around 1300 watts at the wall. It still hasn't updated here yet, as of yet. So we'll see here in a minute what it shows here. All right, guys, so it's been a couple minutes, and as you can see, we are finally showing terahash reading on here. So we're looking at roughly 38.5 terahash, and we're running at 1,414 watts. So this is what it looks like in efficient mode. Once again, I'll wait for that to change up here so you can see it. Right there you can see it's in efficiency mode. So we will start seeing this number, the terahash number, and the watts start to stabilize after about maybe a half hour or so of it running. But for now, we're going to dive back into the unit itself, or into the laptop itself, and we'll be right back. All right, guys. So that's basically how to set this guy up on Hiveon Pool itself. We're going to go ahead and run it on here for roughly about a week. So a week from today, which is a Tuesday at the time of recording. Sometime between now and midweek, or halfway through this upcoming week, I'll go ahead and give you guys a YouTube short, giving you guys a quick idea of what we're currently making per day on here as well. So All right, guys, thank you for joining me in today's video. I did walk you guys through the process of setting up this FM01 Magic Miner on a different pool, one that I haven't used before, which is a Hiveon Pool. I have used HiveOS itself to mine from, and as you guys saw earlier in the video, I still have a mining rig on there, which is a 3070 by 3 mining rig. And I'm solo mining Ergo. I've hit a couple blocks since I switched it over, which is awesome. I'm probably going to keep that rig on Ergo for the long term because I do feel that the project does have some good potential. So I want to go ahead and support that project. In the comments down below, please let me know what you guys are doing out there. Are you guys mining? Are you guys buying? Are you guys done with the crypto market? Are you guys just getting into it? I'd like to know, your thoughts, your ideas, your comments, so I could try to help you guys along your way. I really do have a passion for this stuff, mainly because of the tech itself. So in the meantime, if you guys are interested in buying any kind of crypto miners, please use my referral links down in the description below. It does help the channel out tremendously. Um, and if there's any miner that you want to see me try to unbox or test, please let me know in the comment section down below. I will do my absolute best to get one of those miners coming so that way I can go ahead and do the unboxing and set up for you guys and tell you guys my honest opinion on it instead of you guys spending the money on something that you may or may not be okay to have. So let me do all that testing for you guys. That way you guys don't have to. And then from there, if you guys are interested in it, obviously I'm going to ask you guys to use my referral link and the discount code to save yourself some money. So with all that being said, thank you guys again for joining me. I'm happy that you guys were here today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your time.